The Brompton boys are back, travelling across South Manchester to Trafford Park for breakfast at Tim Hortons before heading off to Leigh. Looking forward to my coffee. What a lovely morning it is. Whatever date it is of September. 10th of September 2022. Sunday morning. So this guided busway takes you right through the countryside. Look, a bit of blue sky over there. Down fields, cows, trees, and the odd bus coming up the busway over the other side of this beech hedge. And that's just a lovely part of this ride. Encourage councils and governments to put more of these in. It makes travel pleasure. Here we are on Bromptons, on our way to a model railway show where we're exhibiting, and on our way down there we are using a lot of old railway lines. This one has been converted into a guided bus lane. That's a guided bus lane down there with cycle track along it. It's about 7 miles long. It comes out from Leigh, which is ahead there, which is where we're heading, back through Atherton, and then it just comes to an end. It stops in the middle of nowhere. Here I am, and that's back the way we've come into the sunrise. So it's about 10 to 8 on a Saturday morning on our way to set up the layout for the model railway show. I'll show you some more pictures later.